Hello guys, today I'm gonna be doing my own press-on nails. I started already with the nails on the stand. If you're doing your own press-on nails at home, you're gonna need a stand of some type. There are many different stands that you can find anywhere. Shein, Amazon, Temu, most of the stores online that sell nail products, they have these nail stands. I like the detachable ones, so I'm able to take a nail and focus in one nail design. And I'm trying for the first time the press nails, and I have the natural almond on the medium length, and I fell in love. I just fell in love with these nails. I'm so glad that I'm trying this. So let me show you. They have 00, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, and 9, which I'm surprised about the half sizes, and I'm very happy about it. I just found out that the half sizes fit me better, and in that way I don't have to file the nails to customize it to my natural nail. I'm just loving these tips. And as you can see here, the numbers are here on the bottom of the nail tip. You can see. And if you are applying these nails with gel, the number disappears as soon as you apply the nail. And you can see here the flexible towards the cuticle area. They're very flexible. They're made of gel and more sturdy on the front. I'm gonna be trying different sizes in the future, but for today I'm gonna be trying the medium almond. So let's start decorating these nails. Another thing is that I mark the stands for the left hand and for the right hand, because I have different sizes in both of my hands. So I just want to make sure which one is which after when I have to apply the nails, and that is easier for me. So let's go and do some nails. I'm just gonna create a very simple design today, a classic. It's gonna be a Frenchie. Stay tuned and watch it with me. Okay, this is everything that I'm gonna be using to do these nails. You're gonna need top coat, base gel, and a gel polish that you're gonna be using. And this is a liner from Born Pretty, because I'm gonna be creating Frenchies. This is a white liner. I love to work with this. As you can see, it has a liner brush already in there. And that's it. And then as well, I'm gonna be applying a chrome powder, a translucent one, to create a nice effect. You're gonna see how it's gonna look. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's go, let's start this party. So first I'm going to be buffing the nails with primer. This is the same primer I will use on my natural nails, or you can do as well one of these buffers, but because I don't want too much dust going all over the place, I'm gonna be doing this one. And I think I'm gonna skip the base gel today, just because I want my press-ons to be more thin, and the base gel is gonna add an extra layer and everything is gonna be thicker. So I'm skipping base gel today, and the primer will do the job for the gel polish to adhere. So what I'm gonna do is this, like that, and buff it in there, rub it in there until it creates a texture, and that will allow the gel polish to attach properly. Something like that. Oh, okay, before I continue with that, I just like to clean the tip of the nails. Let's put some files here. What I'm gonna do is just gonna clean the little plastic thing that comes with the nails. There's not much to do here with these nails. I already, before I apply the nails to the stand, I already customized the nails to my natural nail. The only one that I had to customize was the thumb nail, because the cuticle area is more square. So I filed over here already. That's the one I have to customize. But if you need to customize any other nails for your fingers, a file is all you need. Just go like that, customize it, try it on, and make sure it fits you properly. So let me go ahead and just finish removing this little plastic here. I have a dust collector, but because this is not creating like a lot of dust, I'm not gonna switch it on now. I know it seems like a lot of work, but if you prep now, you will have less work later. And voila, here we go now. Okay, brush two. Okay, let's finish buffing these nails with primer. This is melting the nail tips a little bit to create more adhesion or a texture for the gel polish. The thing with press-on nails is the way you apply them. You have to find a very good glue and buff your natural nails and dehydrate them very well. Now, I'm gonna go in with 2 layers of this beautiful Imeili HEMA-free. Beautiful color. Look at this. It's kind of translucent, so that's why I'm gonna need 2 coats. So I'll show you. Start with thin layers and then go from there, because otherwise the gel polish is gonna be running to the side of the nail and then gonna be thicker, and then you will have to live with that or file it off, and then it's gonna be more work. I learned the hard way, believe me. Let me go ahead and apply the 2 layers and I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm gonna be working on the Frenchies, but first I'm gonna mark how deep I want the smile line to look. So I'm gonna mark it in all of them and then I'll work one nail at a time. So let's say something like this. So when I go, I have an idea. And then I will do one by one. You can do it any way you like. So what I'm gonna do is okay, I wanna go all the way to the middle of the nail, so I'll mark that there and approximate here, and then let's go ahead and create another dot here and another one here, and then let's join all these dots. Okay. Let's go a little bit higher on the smile line. Something like this. Yep, something like this I like better. The good thing about gel polish is that you can fix any mistakes before curing with regular gel polish. Start drying right away and you won't be able to make changes. That's one thing I like about gel polish. I'm gonna do the rest off camera because this needs all my concentration. And when I'm filming, and it's hard for me to do the Frenchies. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how the Frenchies came out. Okay, not too bad. It took me a while. I even had to stop and go out to run some errands. That's why doing press-ons again is convenient, because you can leave them for later and come back and finish. So right now I'm gonna put a thin layer of top coat to be able to apply the chrome, and then I will have to apply another layer of top coat. That's why at the beginning I didn't want to apply the base gel, not to make this nail so thick, since I'm gonna have 2 layers of top coat. So let's go ahead and do this top coat from Imeili. I'm gonna be doing like a thin layer just for the chrome powder to be able to stick to the nail. Okay, I'm gonna be curing this for 30 seconds. I finished curing the nail, so let's try the translucent chrome powder. Not too much. And let's rub it in. Oh yes, look at that. It's beautiful. Love it. What do you think, guys? Do you like it too? I think it brings the nails to another level. It's beautiful. Just rub it in there. And then we have to seal it with a top coat as well. There we go. Just rub it in there. I do like it, so I'm gonna go ahead with it. I wish I can maybe put something else on the nails, like another design. Oh, I think it's making the white polish, the white gel polish a little bit yellow. Oh well. Now I'm debating. No, it looks cuter like this. Maybe I'll put like a little bow or something later on. I don't know. So let me go ahead and complete all the nails with a top coat, then chrome, and then we'll seal everything. So let's cure this. Here we go. Let's get rid of some of the chrome powder left over on the top, so I'm able to top coat it, and hopefully it won't go into my top coat bottle. Otherwise I will have to buy another one because that's the only one I have right now. Okay, I feel like it's missing something, so I'm gonna try some tiny rhinestones and a tiny white bow. This one over here. Yes, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna take my drill and buff the back of the bow a little bit because I wanted to attach to the rhinestone glue. I don't want it to fall off. Okay, that's good. And then the nail, I think I'm gonna put it right here. Yep, right there. Let's try. This is rhinestone glue from Shein, and it's pretty good. Again, it's better to buff the area where you're gonna attach things because it will help with the adhesion, right? So I'm gonna just put it there. What do you think, guys? I think it's cute. Yes, it's cute. It's cute. I like it. So just flash cure the bow to make sure that it stays in place, and then I will give it a full cure. Oh yes, I like it. It's cute. It's cute. Then I'm gonna. This is a non-wipe rhinestone glue, so it's good. You don't have to wipe it and stick it later. So I'm gonna fill the side because I hate when these things get stuck in my hair, and I don't like it. So let's do some here. Just do it like that. And go. And here we go. It looks nice to me. Yeah, you can see the gel on the side, but it doesn't matter as long as the bow is secure and it doesn't get stuck in my hair. Let's put this one in the big clamp to cure completely for 60 seconds. What I'm going to do with the rest, I'm going to zigzag some rhinestones, like 1, 2, 3, something like that. So I'm gonna do a little tiny marks here on the nails. So let's say like that, so the thing doesn't move. Something like that, and something like, let's say like this. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna be using these little rhinestones here. So first I'm gonna put, I like this skinny nozzle here because it's very precise, so I'll put one tiny drop. Okay, here we go. Now let's get those tiny things. And the last one. I like it. Let's flash cure this. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete all the 10 nails as I show you, with the bow in the ring finger, and the rest is gonna have the rhinestones. And this is the final result. I really love these nails and the way they look on my hands. Today I apply my nails with the Sticky Taps for press-on nails. What I did was to push my cuticles above the shine from my natural nail slightly, file and reshape my natural nails. I dehydrated my nails with alcohol. Then I took the Sticky Tap and placed it directly inside the fake nail. Then I lowered the nail near the cuticle area at 45-degree angle, and I pressed it down for about 30 seconds until the nails were secure. The Sticky Taps will make your nails last maybe for 1 day or 2 if you're lucky. But if you want the press-on nails to last you longer, it's better to buy a nail glue. And that's it, that's what I did. So thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. If you did, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day, everyone.